Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. The driver's side typically uses a 22-inch blade, and the passenger side uses a 21-inch blade. You might also need a small flathead screwdriver for certain blade types. Always work on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. To begin, gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Next, find the small locking tab at the blade's connection point. Depending on your blade style, you'll either press or pry this tab to release it. Once disengaged, slide the old blade straight off the J-hook. Remember to be very careful. Never let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the glass, as it could cause damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and remove any protective plastic covers. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, confirming it is securely attached. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it is fully locked into position. This ensures it won't come loose during operation. Once the new blade is secure, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side, installing its new blade. After both are installed, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. For best performance and safety, it's a good practice to replace your windshield wiper blades every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.